This is me as a kid. From the very beginning of my life, I love to draw. This is not good, but this is the start. Few months ago, I used to draw like this, but now it keep going worse. The reason is consistency. If you're thinking how, then I started challenge 100 days, 120. But that was my biggest mistake. Drawing always make me happy. I can even draw for hours, but now every time I open my sketchbook, I got disappointment. And this is because of consistency. As I already mentioned you about 100 days, 100 wins challenge. And because of that, I not just draw for happiness, but now I'm forced to draw for content. And this same thing happened with this YouTube channel, where you can find out in my homepage. You can visit it and also subscribe that channel if you want to grow personally. And currently there is just one video and a post. And the announcement is I'm not posting every single day. From today, I will upload more than 3 times a week. I don't know, but I will continue the YouTube journey. And from today, I'm not uploading for views, I'm uploading for happiness.